Chain to hang on me. And I don't need no ties, don't want your wedding ring. I'm looking for a guy who's flying, catch your feelings. See, I already got a friend, I am looking for a new beginning. All I want is your love. Can you give it to me? Give it to me. All I want is your love. Can you give it to me? Give it to me. You got a job, it's cool, don't want your money. No. But if I need a little cash, I'll ask her, won't you, honey? Love. So I think you got a little point, baby, listen. I'm looking for some love, a little of it, it's a good old kissing. Whoa. All I want is your love. Can you give it to me? Give it to me. All I want is your love. Can you give it to me? Give it to me. All I want is your love. Can you give it to me? Give it to me. All I want is your love. Can you give it to me? Give it to me.
Scholars natin. Kaya tawagan natin si Ernie.
Sabi nyo yan. Okay. Napakamalas na ako, Babsi.
Kita nyo, extended ang Christmas pa. At anyway, hanggang tomorrow, hanggang asis pa pala, no? Nandito rin pala si Mayan Naran. So, pito pala yung scholars natin. Si Mayan. Sorry ha, hindi ko nabasa kasi hiwalay nga yung list ng names. Okay. So, pito ang scholars natin na nandito ngayon. So, the other 5 will be presented tomorrow. O, meron pa pang kulang. Ernie.
Yeah.
Si go straight sa Tiwas Pavilion at 10 a.m. And then, we'll be having more fun. Ito doon ang mga games, raffles, and everything. According to our program, kung merong production number ang Philippine Cavite National High School 75 graduates, eh, magpapakita din naman ng gilas. Wow. Talaga naman, gilas talaga pinapakita dito. Every time na makikita namin yung kanilang video, sa tuwing magkakaroon sila ng kanilang reunion, ay talagang kagulat-gulat ang mga presentation. So, ang expectation ng mga taga-Philippines, pag sila nandito, mas lalong kagulat-gulat ang ipakikita nila sa atin. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our co-graduate of the other part of the world, together with their partners, pangungunahan ni Mr. Rene Prudente and Ernie Avila. Palakpakan natin sila.
Ang mga magkaklase. Kaya nga hello. Kung titignan niyo yung likod ng t-shirt, lahat ng t-shirt ng Series 1975, hindi happy pag kulang ang tropa. So nagpunta kami dito ngayon para isama namin kayo sa presentation. Lahat kayo sasayaw dito. Ano yung music natin dyan? Glenn? Go! Come on! Ano? Mga wala ba kayo? Wala ba kayo? Kayo! Mga babae kayo! Dito! O kayo, mga babae! Huwag na kayo kaya! Makisama kayo! Kayo mga scholar! Baba! Kayo! Huwag kayong magpunta sa silya! Tingon! More chicken! Ikot! Yan ang sinasabi ko! Ikot! Ikot! Okay, dalawang line! Masyado masikip! Long line! Ayaw! Wave your head! Wave your head! Ikot! Continue moving! Let's all move! Okay, ikot lang. Ikot! Move! Oh, wave your hand! Magdaming ole din! Ang galing! Loud music, man! Louder, please! Put more music in the air! Parang sanila na. Umpisa pa lang yan. Umpisa pa lang yan. At the age of 50, we need to exercise. Okay? Magbigay kayo ng space ng konti. Laki-laki ng konti.